So sorry. Okay, Shama Shokla. Yeah, I have there my Patreon. You can join. Beautiful eyes. Oh, really? There's something in my eyes because I just woke up. My name is Naomi from Philippines. Oh, English, guys, because I don't understand the language. You're welcome, Jagger Alam. Hello, Aya. So beautiful. Are you Abraham? Yeah, but I'm a single mother. I have my son. 6 years old son. Share live, guys. Pa-share ng live. It's morning or morning. It's morning. It's 6 a.m. here in Philippines. Just woke up. Hi, George. Hello, George. Hello, GR Balingan. Morning. Sorry, guys. I can't live at night time then because when I feel so tired from school. It's mid in India. Ah, okay, Jackie. It's morning. Kung gusto mong magpakita, doon ka sa Patreon. Doon. Zoom. Thank you, Mide. Pakita, pe. Ano ka? Hello? Be nice, guys. Be nice. As we talk here in live. Nice. Be nice on your comment. I'm fine. Hello, Marius Soriano. Ganda naman ni ma'am. Shout out sa you. You're watching from. Thank you for. Hello, Jordan Bryant. It's a basketball player. Basketball player is live. Shout out to Jordan Bryant. Hello, Amber Love. Hi. Hi to my 81 viewers. Good morning, Paula. Ano FB mo? Nandiyan sa profile ko. Yung mga apps. Leslie Ward. Hi, Leslie Ward. Blessed love you, Royal Highness. Why? Shout out. Hello, Abuwala. You are. Hello, Amor Love. Thank you. Are you on WhatsApp? Yes, I have my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp there on my account, my profile. You see, I'm doing fine here. Good morning. Hello, how are you? My from Algeria. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are Rasta, yes. Hello, baby. What's your name? My name is Naomi. Very, very beautiful. Thank you. My name is Naomi. Hi, SD Davado. Hello, guys. You guess how old am I? Because you will guess. From Hyde Russia. Where you live in Philippines. Hello, Ramel Deplan. Hi.